Hi, my name is Walter Koenig. I live in West Norriton, very close to the Schuylkill River. My house is 100% electric, so I have no natural gas for heating or whatever. AC and heating, everything is electric. That's why I have a little more solar panels than maybe other homes. 2.5 years ago, I decided to go and install solar panels. I went through various companies, including Tesla, and asked for their proposals. I didn't like 3 of the previous competitors because they came with lithium batteries, and I don't want to have lithium in my home because I wanted to have everything installed in my home. So finally I went to Exact Solar, and they came with this great proposal. The engineer Vlad said, just take lead batteries, the old car batteries. So I decided to go that way because lead will not burn. I installed it in my basement, and in June 21 I signed the contract with Exact Solar. After getting all the approvals and so on, in fall Exact Solar started to install. Everything worked really fine. It's a great team, and in January I got the permits. And since September, I don't pay a penny for energy. I even get SREC. I even get now in summer $100 per month paid from SREC, and I have not paid since September a penny to Pico. So that's my story. I liked the recommendation, and I liked the engineer Vlad who came in and sold the lead battery solution to me. Exact Solar offers lithium too, so I was a kind of special, at least for those guys, because everyone wants lithium batteries today. But I personally wanted lead batteries, and they came with the right proposal. It was really, for installation like this, I think it was a very smooth process. Everything worked well, and you could even call Exact Solar excellent solar. They did a really good job. And after the installation and with utility second meter, there were some settings which had to be adjusted, but it was nothing more than that. It took another 1 or 2 months to have the exact settings the way which gave me the best money back, and since then it just works.